Hello everyone, welcome to day 69 of a Stitch a Day 365 Days Crochet Challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the bead stitch. So this stitch is worked in rows of 2, and to start off, we have to crochet a row of single crochet stitches. Here I have a odd number of single crochet stitches. Okay, so we are going to start off by crocheting 3 chains. This chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. You are going to go ahead and go into the very next stitch and make 1 double crochet. So this is where we'll be actually working the bead stitch. Very similar to the puff stitch, we are going to create a puff stitch around this post here. So this is our double crochet post. You are going to yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, insert, pull out a loop. That is the second time. Again yarn over, insert, pull out a loop. That's the third time. So in total you should have 7 loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So once you have 7 loops, you are going to take out your yarn out of the first 6 loops alone. So I have isolated this loop right here. Now yarn over, turn your hook, make sure your hook is pointing downwards so that it's easy to come out of all the loops. So as you can see, I wiggled my way into all these loops. So the motion is like this. So when you do this, your hook doesn't catch any other thread except the one you have got outside in the yarn over. Okay. So now again yarn over, pull out of 2 loops. So this forms our very first bead stitch. Now it's time to anchor this bead stitch into the base. Okay. So for that you have to skip the next single crochet, go into the next one and make 1 double crochet. Okay. Now again into this post we are going to work this bead stitch. Yarn over, insert, pull out a loop once, again yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, that's twice. Yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, that's thrice. So now again look at how I'm taking out my yarn over. So yarn over and see I'm going to go in like this. I'm giving slight rotation to my crochet hook so that it doesn't get caught into any of these loops. So I have 2 loops on my hook, pull out a loop, again yarn over, skip 1, and make 1 double crochet and again a bead stitch. So you have to continue this till the end of the row. Skip 1 and 1 double crochet, making the next bead stitch. Okay. Now here we are at the last stitch where we end with a double crochet. Now for the next row you have to make 1 single crochet into each of these V's. So start making 1 single crochet into each and then it's just a repeat row. So just like this, you can crochet to any length that you want. Okay. So this is how you crochet a bead stitch. Do try this out and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.